I'm going to go to the market a little bit. Just want to show you a little bit around in the neighborhood here. I live in Mabalacat, and the subdivision is called San Isidro, and the barangay is Dau. So what you see down there is one of my neighbors is making additions to his home, and he is working hard on it every day, Monday through Sunday. So it starts all over every week. All right, so let's go and take a little walk up the street. It's a little bit to walk, but here you have the trike station for the people in this barangay. Hello. And you see you have a little clothing store, a little bakery, and they serve some food, have some videoke rentals. That's one thing here in the Philippines that people are kind of crazy about. I'm going to take you down a road that has not yet been complete. And here you have Uniel Payment Center. A good friend of mine, he started the pay center here, and that's where I go and pay my bills. But otherwise, this is a fairly peaceful neighborhood. Haven't had a whole lot of crime, even though I heard about that there was a break-in in one apartment here. But that apartment didn't have protections like I do. My gates are solid all the way up, and to get into my apartment they have to cut a 1.5 inch solid steel bar, which is not too easy for them. You have some nice homes here as well. Down here on the other side you have another bake shop, and these streets are here. The kids are out playing. A lot of times you see young boys out here, and they have some basketball courts a little everywhere, and they come out and play some basketball. And very common is sari stores everywhere. That's one way they are doing their little penny or peso profits for their daily bread. And here you have another sari store to the right, coming by here. And I don't know if this market is open yet, but we will see once we get there. And as you can see, there's a lot of piles of concrete and chipped concrete and stuff. There's a lot of rebuilding, reconstruction going on. That's one thing that actually amazes me. That even though a lot of people live in poor conditions, there's still a lot of construction going on. So I don't know if that means that the middle class is moving in, but if they are, that's pretty good. It actually looks like the market could be open, so that's a good thing. It looks like they have opened up. We'll see what they got today. Hello! How are you? All right. Finally find somebody who's open. Everybody's closed. What time do you open? Like 4:30? Every day 4:30? Okay. So, yeah, I'm out doing a little video blogging. Yeah. So, how are you? Nice meeting you. Oh, that's no problem. I'm just walking today. I'm actually doing a little video blog. I'll get you on the video here.
Hello, Europe.
Yeah. Europe. You know, funny enough, most of our subscribers and things that are on our video, they actually come from the United States.
Oh, in the U.S.
Yeah.
No problem.
So.
You're familiar in U.S.
Yeah. Where I am from, I'm actually born in Sweden, in Europe.
Sweden?
Yeah, but when I was like 36, 37, something like that, I moved to the United States and lived there until 4 years ago when I moved here. So it's a little bit more. It's between 4 and 5 years now I've been here. So we're gonna get us some potatoes. And you have some bucket to put these things in.
Around how much? A kilo?
Yeah, about a kilo. Would that be?
Big one. Big apple.
Yeah, I just need some potatoes. I eat rice a lot, so
Carbohydrate.
yeah, a lot of carbs. I'm gonna take a couple of these red onions. They look good. And let's grab some yellow. They're a little tiny, but I guess they're okay. We don't have any bigger ones, do we? There's a bigger one, huh? Yeah, there you go. Get like 5 or so of them. Yeah, it's all right. We can do that. How about you have a cucumber? Maybe you have the white cucumber. That's okay. I get one of those. Yeah, and then we're going to take some of these little tomatoes here also. I like the ones that are a little more red. They start getting a little soft. There you go. That's enough, I think. Okay, how about do you have some pork?
Pork, yeah. What kind?
What are you? Belly is fine if it doesn't have too much fat. It depends.
Yeah.
Or I can take pork chops too, that's okay. It looks like it has a lot of fat. Let's just get some pork chops.
Pork chop.
Yeah. Is this pork chops here?
Less of fat.
Yeah, that looks better.
Can't feel it.
That looks good. All right, so we'll
110 plus 1.
240.
240.
There you go. Actually, are your oranges okay? Or?
You like that?
Yeah. Let me have 3 of those too. My wife said, I want oranges. Yeah, I was just thinking, let's do a banana too here. And that should be it for me for today. Hello. How are you? They go crazy when they see a foreigner.
They know.
Huh?
That's
Yeah, they know. They know the camera, right?
camera.
Yep.
348.
All right. Thank you. All right, so then we're gonna start carrying that back home. All right.
Wife.
All right. She'll be waiting. All right.
Ask me for your name.
My name, Shell.
What?
It's Shell.
It's Shell.
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 Yeah, like a seashell. But no sea to it. Just Shell. All right.
Okay, Shell.
All right. Thank you guys. All right. Bye-bye. Yep. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. How are you guys? Are you shy? Oh, I can see that. Have a great day, guys.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Nice to meet you too. Alright, so here we have in front of us again another bakery, peanut butter and bakery shop. Alright, so that was all that food for probably, what did it come out to, 340 pesos in dollars. That would be 50, so that's $7 roughly for all that. You go to a grocery store in U.S. and get 3-4 oranges and a bunch of bananas and you get robbed. That's one thing here, it's fairly cheap to live and eat. And eat good, actually, a lot of times, so we don't have any problems with food bills because we figure we live pretty decent on like 500-600 pesos a day for the food bill. Comes out to 15,000 a month, somewhere around there, and it is 300 bucks. So you cannot compare living expenses here in Philippines to living expenses in the United States. Obviously you don't have, some of the comfort the luxuries you have there, but I've been around the world. I think I've been to like 30, 40 different countries in my lifetime, and this is by far one of the places I cherish more than anything. Not just because I am married here, but hi there, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Everybody is saying hi to me today. They see foreigners out walking, then they get all excited. All right, so we have almost done the round here. And here's another toy store. And on the other side there you have the Marisa store. These are within the block of where I live, so we go there. We try to help out by buying a lot of our stuff there. Obviously it's cheaper sometimes to go to the grocery store, but when you shop in these little stores, you're actually helping the people owning that owns it, so that's something that is good. And here you actually have a little hair salon as well in the neighborhood. And there's another sort of store. This road can get quite busy. And here you have a bakery. This store can actually be quite busy at nighttime. So, and it's very narrow, so you gotta watch out when you're walking the streets here. Anyway, I am approaching my home, and thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, and then don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell, because that's what we're here for, to show the life of how we live.